So you're in your refresh theme just like this, and you want to remove this Shopify cart icon from your Shopify refresh theme. Today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can remove this cart icon, and it's going to look just like this. All right. Now let's go ahead to the video tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come to your themes, okay, your online store themes, and you look for refresh and you click on customize. You're going to click that. So the moment you click on customize, you're going to be redirected here. And as you can see, here is the cart icon, just like this. So what you want to do is just click on this. You want to come to this part here. You can see header, announcement bar. Then you want to click on this header here. Okay, this header. Then click that. Then you want to scroll down and you want to come to this custom CSS. Okay. Once you come here, you want to just copy and paste a single code. It's very simple. This is something a beginner can do. Even a novice can do this. Okay. So here is the code here. Okay. I'm going to also give you this doc file. So I'm also going to teach you how you can hide in case you just want to hide it. You don't want to remove it. I'm also going to teach you how to do that. And it's very simple. Okay. So once you copy that, you want to come here and you want to paste this in the custom CSS just like this. And as you can see that it's removed. All right. So this is how you remove it. All right. Or maybe if you want to hide it, you don't want it to remove, you just want it to hide. You can go ahead. And I'm just going to cancel that. You can see that it's back now. Okay. I'm going to clear that. Now, if you want to hide it, what you want to do is you want to use this code here. Okay. Scroll down. You want to use this code here that says to hide it using base. Okay. So this is what you want to use. I'm just going to copy this. All right. Now, I did not say you paste it in the custom CSS. So please relax. Don't just go ahead and bounce. So now, the moment you copy it, you want to come here to refresh, draft this three dotted horizontal line here, if I'm correct. This three dotted line, not this, okay, that is within the line of refresh. Then you want to click on edit code. So once you click on edit code just like this, you're going to see this refresh base CSS, okay. You can see refresh. Then this base CSS, you want to click on base CSS, okay. Then you want to scroll down, okay. Normally yours is going to be up like this, okay. Refresh, click on this assets, okay. Come to assets here rather, refresh assets, then base CSS, base the CSS. Then you want to scroll down, okay. Scroll down to the last part, all right. And you want to paste the code, all right. So to the last part, just like this, okay. Or you can just give it a drop down, whatever, and paste the code just like this, all right. So now if I should go back. All right. So now once you do that, you want to save. Okay. So I'm going to click on save. So now once you save that, you want to head back now. And as you can see, you see that it's no longer there. Okay. So the moment you paste it and you save, it's no longer going to be there. Okay. So this is exactly how you can go ahead and use these two methods. Okay. So if you want to hide, you use this, base CSS, but if you want to remove it, you can use this custom CSS. Also with this custom CSS, also you can still hide and remove. You can also hide, but this is just complete remover, okay, from your store. All right. So this is exactly how you go about removing the card icon from your header in the refresh theme. All right. If this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials just like this. And maybe you want to use the custom liquid method. You can also use custom liquid to hide it. Okay. So I can just go back. I can remove this. Okay. And I can save. Just go ahead, remove that. And it's going to be back. Okay. Oh, sorry. Have I saved? Save. Oh, sorry. I pasted it twice. So now I'm going to save. Okay. And I go back. So you see that it's back already. Okay. So it is back. So the next thing I want to do now is go ahead to this header section. Okay. I'm going to add section. Let me see if I can add custom. Okay. It's not possible in refresh. Let me just go ahead, click on add section. Then I want to add custom liquid. Okay. I want to add custom liquid section. I'm going to click on this and I can use this custom liquid code here. Okay. This code by the center that says, to remove using CL. So you can just go ahead, copy this and I can paste. All right. And you see, it's been removed. All right. So this is exactly how you can go about removing your card icon, okay, from your Shopify header in the refresh theme. All right. So if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you guys can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials like this for you guys. And I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.